everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Monday and I just literally watering my plant because Monday it's the schedule to watering my plants. I have a couple of plants in the house and I only watering them like once a week, which is Monday only. The most important thing before I start my day is like journaling. Like I mentioned in my previous YouTube video that I want to start journaling more, especially every morning, and then I literally doing pretty good. We are currently in my room right now because we do not have anything else to do. So I think I decided to cleaning my closets in the back. It is really disaster. It is really messy inside that. Please do not judge me when you guys see that. But yeah, that is gonna be my goals today, is cleaning and organizing my closets and take some clothes that I might not gonna be wearing it anymore and maybe I'm gonna donate it. So yeah, we gotta have to start. We gotta have to start right now. So let's do it. Let me show you guys a little bit closer. So yes, this is a disaster. Look at this. I don't know why I keep it like that. And look at this as well. What the heck is this? Like, this is like one of my bad habits. I would say that I cannot keep it my closets clean or like organized. And it just because growing up, I always had someone else to do it. So yes, but then now I realized that I don't have it. I only have myself to do it. So, all right, I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do this, and let's start it. Guess what? It's finally done, guys. After 2 hours, I clean up my closets and organize everything. And I think I did a pretty good job. It's not perfect. It does look still like a lot of clothes, but I think this is like way better than before. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how my closet looks like right now. So this is how my closet looks like right now. I know it's still not perfect, still a little bit messy, but at least all of the clothes folded and I know where exactly I can find my PJs, my summer clothes and my winter clothes. And the other one, we do have my sweatpants and my workout clothes, all the jeans, all the skirts and everything, all the shorts. So yeah, I think I'm a little bit proud to myself that I finally did it after 2 hours. And after months and months, I keep saying that I have to clean up and I have to organize it. And then finally, everything looks way better. So I'm still proud of it. Douglas is home and then we are going to cook dinner. So what is the menu for tonight?
Tonight we're making Cantonese crab with a ginger scallion sauce.
Yeah, sounds good. I don't know how to do it, but I'm just gonna try to help Douglas. Most likely Douglas is the one gonna cook. And I'm just here recording. So what is the first step making this crab?
Well, the first step to making this recipe is to, humanely cook the crab. This recipe that I usually make is I boil the crabs first, cook them, and then afterwards I'll clean the shells, and then I will make the rest of the recipe, and I'll cut the crabs into pieces, and then cook the pork. Then we'll put everything together later on. So one trick to cutting and peeling ginger, a lot of people think that you need to cut the ginger, but one of the easiest tricks that I found online and through other people who make recipes, that you just take the back of a spoon and you just peel the ginger this way. It's very quick, very simple, and it gets everything off. Now that we've peeled our ginger, we're just gonna slice it up. Nothing too crazy, just one rough slice each, just so you have circles of ginger. And what I will like to do in this recipe is just chop it in half. You have two halves. You know, you have the meat, two halves, and that's basically what goes into, you know, the recipe. So next, what we're going to do is make the sauce for our ginger scallion sauce. And for that, we're going to use two tablespoons of oyster sauce. Unfortunately, I have not yet mastered eyeballing, but hopefully that comes with time. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, with maybe 1 spoonful of sugar. Just a little bit here. Make sure you get all of that. You just saute that for a little while until it's nice and sauteed. 1/4 pound of ground pork. Now that the ground pork is sauteed, we're going to put it to the side. Ginger and some garlic. Add back the ground pork. Cut. We're going to add it all in. We're going to come in with our ginger and scallions, as we add in our sauce. One of the last items I like to do is take a scrambled egg and mix that into the mixture. What we made is a mixture of water and some cornstarch, just so we get a little bit of a sauce with it. So we're going to add that to our mixture, and what it does is, you know, it gives the sauce a nice thick coating. That's what you're going to use. Take the rest of that ginger scallion sauce mixture like you made it and pour it over the top.
Hi everyone, I'm actually in Brooklyn. I am going to do some thrifting around Brooklyn and Manhattan. So this is going to be my first stop. It's an L train in Brooklyn, and let's see what I can find. I got some clothes. Well, actually only 2 clothes. You only get one.
I got a t-shirt.
And now we are going to get lunch first because now it's actually 2:14.
I haven't eaten yet.
So yeah, we're going to get what, Japanese food? Ramen?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I guess. They're supposed to have something to not.
Well, this you can take it off, you know.